Welcome back. We've got some time off for Mike Epple. So joining us from 680 live in their studios, Kris McCusker. Good morning to you, Kris.
Good morning. How does your hair feel? Your head's lighter, isn't it?
It is so much lighter, Kris. Yeah, it feels like it took 10 pounds off. Off of this noggin here. But yeah, it's nice. It's nice. You did the haircut recently, too.
Yes,
yeah.
I couldn't wait. You were a little more patient than I was. I just had to find any place open and just get rid of, And I'm almost ready for another one, believe it or not. Yeah.
That's the thing. Once you have it done once, now you're ready to do the upkeep with it now that you can.
Exactly.
So hopefully you had a nice weekend. Lots to get to this week, rather.
Yeah.
Considering the markets.
Yeah, it's going to be kind of a crazy week, actually. So far, so good. We've got futures markets moving higher in the U.S., and markets are coming off a losing week. The NASDAQ was the biggest loser. It was down by 1.3%. But, oh, my goodness, lots to come this week. So that new coronavirus stimulus bill still being discussed in the U.S. The Republicans set to unveil details today, and that's sort of going to kick off the debate. This is the fifth stimulus bill stateside. We've also got a U.S. Federal Reserve meeting that comes up on Wednesday. Now, no change expected in interest rates, with rates already close to zero. And then, wowee, a lot of earnings reports. Here is the list. McDonald's, 3M, Visa, Advanced Micro Devices, Starbucks, Shopify, Boeing, Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Alphabet, Caterpillar, to name a few. That is going to be very market moving as we move forward. There's still this tension between the U.S. and China, so that is driving up the price for gold, which is very likely to help Bay Street, at least to start today. Bay Street coming off a losing week as well. It's down by 6.2% now year to date. And again, gold at an all-time high already this morning, and the opening bell hasn't even sounded yet. So,
oh, geez. Are you exhausted already, Kris?
Pretty much.
That list that you named off for every single big player right now that we're watching.
Yes, a lot of moving parts.
Okay, good stuff. Obviously, a lot of people watching what's happening with the vaccine, the ever so important vaccine, and Moderna, one of the companies as one of the candidates.
Yes, and some interesting news for Moderna today. We've got the stock up in pre-market trade. The pharmaceutical company will receive an additional commitment of $472 million from its contract with the Biomedical Advanced Research Authority. This is an organization known as BARDA, which is part of the U.S. government, and the money is for the development of the COVID-19 vaccine. Now, this company's vaccine, there are a bunch of companies working on a vaccine. It's now going to be evaluated in a phase 3 study involving about 30,000 patients. This now after phase 1 showed very promising results. So some government support to move forward with this vaccine, which is, potentially going to help all of us.
Yeah, we'll be watching this one and all the other companies at play right now doing all of their testing. Finally, we brought you in sports Dr. Anthony Fauci with that pitch, which was not ideal.
No.
That's okay. He's a doctor. He's a top doctor. But now we have a development. He has something to commemorate that pitch with.
Yes, and I hope we have the JPEG on this because it's the most adorable baseball card you've ever seen. Oh, my gosh. And this just speaks to the moment, does it not? Like with the mask on, and turns out the pitch was just a little bit outside.
Hey, just a bit. It's fine.
I don't think anyone really cared. Anthony Fauci is the director of the National Institute of Allergy and Infectious Diseases. He's 79 years old. And for Americans and some Canadians, he's really been the face of coronavirus, a very calm presence, I would say. So he threw out the first pitch ahead of the Washington Nationals game against the New York Yankees. They sold a limited edition of this baseball card. It just sold for 24 hours. Topps does this every now and then with kind of milestone moments in sports. It sold in the U.S. during that one day for about $10 American. That's it. No more are going to be sold. But if you really want one, I saw them on eBay this morning for about $50 US. So the price has gone up already.
Okay, $50. I think we can round up some money, get one for you, get one for our Devo Brown, who I know wants it. Thank you, Kris.
Okay, have a good day.
You too. We had a little giggle over that pitch.
Oh, I love Fauci, man. He's like, you just want to give him a hug once this is all said and done, right? And that pitch, it was He's right-handed. Yeah, he was just trying to brush him back off the plate, just a little inside.
Nerves. It's fine.
It's all good. He's busy. He's a busy guy. He didn't have time to practice that, which is okay.